Hey everyone, my name is Danielle. Welcome, 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 welcome. All right, so we are here for this tutorial. So you want to see how I was able to achieve this really, really, really bomb hairstyle. So without further ado, let's just get right into it.
Too soon, but I know you mean to get done. If you sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick a time and a place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all. Now you need to forward and give me all.
Mr. Bombastic. We order some bombastic, romantic, fantastic lover. Shaggy. Mr. Lover. Mr. Lover. Girl. Mr. Lover. Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic. Tell me fantastic. Touch me on the back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
So now I'm just like taking out my leave out. So I left, just something on the side, and look how it's blending. Just look. It just blends perfectly with like kinky curly hair.
Let me take you to an island of the sweet cool breeze. You don't feel like drive? Well, baby, hand me the keys, and I will take you to a place and set your mind at ease. Don't you tickle my foot bottom, baby, please. Don't you play with my nose, cause I'm a hot shoe sneeze. You are the bun and me are the cheese, and from me are the rice, the dressing of you the peas. I'm bombastic, fantastic. But when I'm in back, she says I'm Mr. Rowe.
And here's the reveal. This is the final look. I absolutely love this hair. Like, it just blends so perfectly. It looks realistic, and I really love it. This is another hairstyle that I wanted to show. Like, you can just do a very simple middle part, and it still looks bomb. I mean, please, I'm so happy with it.
tous. Bon trip à tous.
That's it, you guys. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I would gladly answer them. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a look at me and have a good day. Bye.